What is up, everybody? My name is JustePruna and welcome to my channel. So today I am bringing you a how I do my eyebrow tutorial. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, please keep on watching. So going in, I'm grooming my eyebrows with a spoolie and I'm going to brush them upwards. Then after that, I'm taking my Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil and filling in my eyebrows. Now I naturally have thick eyebrows, so what I'm doing here is just lining the bottom and the top as close as I can. I don't want to overly draw my eyebrows because they're naturally thick, like I said. And as you can see, the ends are very short, so I'm just gonna fill them in just a little bit. So now I'm filling in the sparse areas in my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna stay in the middle to the end of my eyebrows. I don't like when, you know, the front of my eyebrows look too dark because I want a more natural look. So now I'm blending in the harsh lines that I drew in my eyebrows, and then I'm going to take my foundation, and I think it's in the color coffee, and it's my LA Girl Pro HD foundation, and I'm going to clean up the bottom and the top of my eyebrows. So that is literally all I do with my eyebrows. It's very simple and it gets me out the door within 5 minutes. Now I'm going to use a brow gel to set my eyebrows, and that is it for the video. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.